Hi, Harmit. Let us wait for them to join.
Okay, okay. No problem.
Meanwhile, you can log into the like Salesforce and start creating the class. I have asked right in the WhatsApp.
I didn't check the message. I'll check.
Sorry.
I didn't check the message. I'll check now.
Okay, okay. Just now
Yeah.
I did. Oh.
Ah,
Mahesh is also joining and Priyanka is also joining. Let's wait for them. Meanwhile, you start creating the class which I have shared in the WhatsApp. Harni, can you share your screen if you can? If not, we'll ask Sirisha to share the screen. Okay, Sirisha, you go ahead and share your screen.
Okay, sir.
Everyone getting what she's doing, right? Based on the question I have given in the WhatsApp. Everyone do along with her, because you'll also know how to write the methods if someone asks you a question in that way. Hmm. Yeah, okay. Now write the logic in that. How do you initialize?
It is the static.
Okay. Let me send you another question depending on this same class only. Treat this as a practice session. So as I'm sharing the question, she's writing the code. So see, in that way, I want you all also write the code so that you will know how we are writing the code depending on the question we get. Sirisha, I have shared one more question on that. I mean, one more instruction. So create one more method here.
Okay.
Sirisha, can you elaborate what you are writing just so that everyone can understand?
First, I have declared the 3 variables here: name, price, quantity.
Okay.
Again, method is initialize method. In that, I have passed the
You have passed the
and
parameters. Yeah.
pricing here.
Okay.
This product name
Okay.
to quantity. Again, I have taken this another method, calculate total price.
Mm-hmm.
Here I have to return this product identity, right, sir?
So
Here you have given this.
yeah. So now there is everyone, there is now concept of return. Okay. Sirisha, you also listen because there is a small mistake in your code which we haven't discussed till now. A function is something which you do some task when it is told to do some task, and when we say to return some value after calculating something, it will again return the value. Okay. See here, this is called as returning statement. Okay, this is called as a returning statement. So everyone, if you see, this is called as return. What is meant by return is, I'll just give a small example. If I say add two numbers, okay, add two numbers, 2 comma 5, okay, and system dot debug, okay, and system dot debug here, okay, system dot debug here. What happens? It will print here only. It will print here only in that function only. But if I write like this return statement inside any function, it calculates some value and return the value wherever it is being called. Okay, I'll just show you the example now. Sirisha, and one more thing. Here we have written void, na? Void.
Yes. Yes.
When we'll write void? When we are not returning anything, nothing. Void means nothing we are returning. See, in this function, we are not returning anything. This initialize function, we are not returning anything. But calculate total price function, we are returning some value. Okay.
Oh,
Which type of value? Is it an integer? Is it a double? Is it a string? That we have to tell in the place of void. I am returning a double. You write it double because if you calculate total price, sometimes price into quantity. Price into quantity means what? Price is double. Quantity is integer. Double into integer, you will get double only. Fractional value into integer value, maximum cases you get a fractional value. So there you should not write void because you are returning something now.
yes.
Okay. Now we'll see how it returns and how we can catch the return value. Here what happening? We are passing the value. This is a function where we are passing the value. And this is a function where we are returning the value. Okay. Now we'll see how it looks. Okay. Once you complete this one. Okay. Total price
is being recorded.
Why this product came in between? Product. In the Sirisha, I think hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, your
in the
voice is stucking, sir.
oh okay. In the return statement, you have written product of price into quantity, na? Why product?
Yes.
What is product? Where is product?
Oh, okay.
See, return what you are doing. What is the value of total price? It is price into
Price and
total quantity. Then why product again?
yes. Okay. Here you have given
Where I have given
in the chat.
no. I just
It's
written that
confused.
calculated price of the total product. That was the meaning of that question.
Okay. I forgot it, sir.
Okay. So give the semicolon. Okay. Now save it. Click on the problems. No problems. Okay. Now open anonymous window.
But sir, we are not. No, sir.
Yeah. Ask me.
We are not printing the sir here.
Yeah. We'll print in the console in the anonymous window. Okay.
Oh.
Now initialize the values. How you will initialize the values? We'll call that function, pass the values now. Do that. Initialize product dot means class name dot method name and pass the values whatever we have given in the initialize method. Name given, price given, quantity given. Name you can pass it as a pen drive.
Price.
Price give some value. Okay. Now again print them. How you will print them is system.debug product dot name. You can print like this also, na? Class name dot variable name. Class name dot variable name. How many values you want to print? That many values you can print. Here also. Yeah. Harmit, can you explain what we are trying to do in the anonymous window?
Like we are we are adding the product name and all.
Okay. So you understand what we have written in the class, the method
Yes.
initialize method. So
Yes.
just we'll pass some values to that method. So whatever the values that pass to that method will get assigned to the our static variables, that name, price,
Yes.
quantity. Then here what we are doing, we are assigning, then we are printing in the anonymous window only. So till now it's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Now print it, open log and execute. So it got the values pen drive 2.25 to 50 and 2. Now call the calculate total price function now. Control E. You can click Control E. Anonymous window will open. Product dot calculate total price. So before this product, write before this product P, before P, you write before P, double space calculated price equal to space before equal to after equal to. Now, Sirisha, what we are doing now? We are calling the method called
Calling the method and
yeah.
initializing here.
So whatever the value you get, you are calling here, na? That calling whenever everyone listen to this. So whenever we call the function which is returning certain value, na, not a void function, which returns a some value kind of function, returning functions, we say this is called void function, nothing will return. This is returning function. So whenever we call returning functions or returning methods from any part of the code, what it does is it goes here, calculates the value. What are the value you get here, na? It will again send back here. Okay? It goes here, it calculates some the data, then it send back the value, calculated value, whatever we write in the return statement. If you say return high, it will return high. If you say return some value 5.5, it will return 5.5. But what we have written here, return price into quantity, means calculate price into quantity, then return it to wherever it is being called. Where it is called? In the anonymous window, in the 5th line, it is called. So it comes here. Okay, price into quantity, 250 into 2. So that will be 500. So here you get a 500. This 500 will be saved in a variable called calculated price. Okay. Is this clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Harmit, is it clear? Harni?
That calling method.
Yeah. This is
Yes, sir.
this is calling method.
Hmm.
And whenever a method is called, it goes to the method. It does the operation, every operation. Whenever it find a return statement, it returns whatever
Okay.
it is written here. So price
Okay,
into
okay.
quantity. So what is price? We have some value. What is some quantity? We have some value. It does calculation and send here. Okay. Then that whatever the value you got here, it will be saved into calculated price, because this is normal operation. You right now, double calculated price is equals to 5 means what? 5 equal calculated price value will be 5. So like that only. This is a simple statement, fifth line.
Okay.
But here you need to understand why we are calling, why we are returning, what we are returning. Okay.
Okay.
Now Sirisha, after fifth line, print the calculated price now. Means system.debug calculated price. Okay. Okay, everyone. Priyanka, is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. Sirisha, you can unshare your screen. Let some other person share the screen and continue the remaining part of the code. I'll share remaining questions. So, Priyanka, can you share your screen?
Okay.
Or okay, please share. Sirisha, whatever you have written till now, that you share in the WhatsApp. From there, Priyanka will continue.
Okay, sir.
Now I should do typing.
No. Just go to your developer console.
Okay.
Create a class name called product and copy the code, whatever Sirisha shared. You created the class already? No. Okay.
No.
New Apex class product, because the class name should be same even if you copy the code. No, capital P, capital P, capital P, capital P. Class name should always start with capital letter. All the other things will start with a small letter. Duplicate value. I think you have you created, I think.
Just now I have created that shit, but I have not that code.
Okay. Open, click on open resource. No. Click on open resource. Product. Double click on it. Open it. Open. Click on open. Down you see. Okay, it is a small. Okay, no problem. But from next time, you just make sure class name should start with a capital letter. Okay.
Okay.
Take the code which Shirisha shared.
Actually, she kept in group that screenshot.
Shirisha, don't keep screenshot. Or
That's
just
why.
post it in the chat here in our meeting chat.
Okay, how should I post, sir?
No. I just copy that. I'll let you know. Copy that.
I'm trying to copy,
Hmm.
but it's not copying.
It's not copying.
Yes, sir.
Um,
1 second. Again, I'll check.
okay. Share your screen once.
Okay, sir, I have shared.
Okay.
It's got copy. I have
Okay.
sent.
Yeah. Okay. Harni, you send. Okay. Priyanka, please copy that. Make it soon. Let's make it soon.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on Control S. Control S. Let me share another question. This is a very basic question, Priyanka. Just try to do it.
Play.
Not capital, small. Like
I have to display the values. Just I have to display the value
Yeah,
name.
just we have to display. Nothing we are returning.
Okay. I should enter public state static that like or not?
You have to enter public static. Public static is for sure. Uh, from the next class, we will not use public static. We'll use some other thing. Then you will understand what is the meaning of static. But for now, Priyanka, listen. What you are trying to do now?
Displaying the values.
Where we have to display? Read the question completely.
Okay, just-
Read the question completely.
Create a static product details
Create a
that.
static method. First, you
Okay.
create a method.
Actually, I'm from fever.
Oh, okay. Then let it be. Let it be. You practice today. Then you
Okay.
share your screen. Can you share your screen, Harni? Is the issue fixed from your PC?
Actually, not. I'm unable to
Oh,
give the
uh,
permissions.
I think the Mac, right?
Yeah.
Uh, okay. Then let Sirisha only share the screen and complete the rest of the code.
Is my screen being shared?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
You have many errors. Why? Click on the problems, Arni. Unexpected token return. Somewhere you missed something, I think. Publish static void initialize.
Initialize spelling, if we will write wrong, then also it is not working.
That means here whatever we write, that only we need to write. If you write here in, then in the calling also we have to write in only. You can give any spelling mistake also you can give. But whenever you call this, that time the same spelling mistake again we need to do.
Okay.
That is the problem.
No. That is not the problem in the harness case.
Unexpected token return.
Public
Shouldn't
static.
hold.
No. Wait.
Integers, sir. Capital I,
No.
integer quantity.
Integer capitalize. No, it's not an issue.
It's a case
This is
insensitive.
case insensitive.
Insensitive.
Here method calculate total price method brackets.
Bracket.
What? Where?
There after calculate total price, na? You miss the bracket.
Open and
Yeah,
close parenthesis.
Parenthesis. Yeah.
Okay.
Click on Control S.
Control.
Yeah.
Okay.
Harni, write the next function. I asked the next function, na?
Okay.
To display. And the function name should be whatever I have given in the question.
Static method named decrease.
after writing this 18th line, I mean that function, write the logic in decrease quantity function.
Okay.
Hmm. See, what is the logic? Yeah, okay, okay. You write it. Hmm. Sirisha or anyone can write this logic, the decrease quantity logic. I have mentioned clearly that implement a static method names the decrease quantity and which take the interior parameter amount and decreases the quantity of the product by that amount and make sure that the quantity does not become negative.
Condition we have to write that
Yeah.
it should be
How?
greater than
Uh,
0.
Can we use if else?
Yeah, we have to use if else.
Yeah.
How you'll use? Write a logic, Harni. I think you are telling something, right?
Decrease quantity. If decrease quantity is not equal, sorry,
Equal
something.
to, not equal to. Just think it. You're almost near.
Uh-huh. Is greater than 0. If decrease quantity.
Okay. Harni, write it. Okay.
Yeah,
Harni is
yeah.
trying something. Okay.
First, we need to write what is decrease quantity. Then that decrease quantity should be greater than 0. That
Yeah,
should
you're
be
telling
correct.
that then we are check. Then we will check if the decrease quantity is not equal to means should be greater than 0. But
Otherwise,
otherwise,
is that right?
sorry.
Is that right way of approaching?
Let me tell you. Let me tell 1 second. See, if you are subtracting decrease quantity, sorry, this decrease quantity is nothing, Arni. There is no variable called decrease quantity. Only we have amount and quantity.
Yeah.
Okay, amount and price actually.
Yeah.
The amount and amount, price, quantity.
Quantity. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, no. Listen. See, if you are subtracting, 1 second. I can't write on the Harney screen as she is on Mac. I can't annotate. Let me type it. If you are subtracting quantity minus amount, means that should be greater than 0, na?
Yeah.
That's it, na?
Only I said that we can
Ah.
use it if she can use.
Yeah.
So before subtracting, can I write when the quantity will become negative? When the amount is greater than the quantity.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point? When the amount
Yes.
that should decrease, if there are five pen drives, if I supply if I tell to decrease 3 pen drives, that is like a, amount is equals to 3. If I pass 5 minus 3, you will get a 2. But if I pass the amount as 8 pen drives, and here we have only 5 pen drives left in our quantity, then can I get it? 5 minus 8, how much?
Amount
Minus
should
3.
always
Amount should always
be greater than quantity.
amount should always be less than the quantity.
Yeah, that's
The quantity should be higher. Then only we get a
yes.
positive result for the quantity. Which should be positive, that should be higher. Simple.
Yes.
Okay. Now write it. Amount should always be less than the quantity. If amount is less than quantity, then only you subtract. Okay. No, not a flower bracket, Harni. It is parenthesis. The condition should be in the parenthesis. After if.
Amount is less than quantity. Then check for the condition here.
You have checked the
We
condition.
can write the
Then quantity,
logic.
then new quantity is equals to actual quantity minus amount. That's it now. Value of x
Yes.
equals to the x minus y. You write like this
Yes.
only in maths. The same concept. If you want to do some subtraction from a value x and then store the same value in x again, what you'll do? X equals to x minus 5, x minus 2, x minus 3 only now. So that's the thing here we are
Yes.
going to do.
Should we write that statement here itself? That
No,
X is equal to-
you
means
forgot. I
no,
have forgotten. I have shared in the chat. In the meeting chat, I have shared. Just see it. I will share it in the WhatsApp as well. If the amount less than quantity is equals to quantity plus amount.
Yeah.
Okay, got it?
Yes.
Everyone, Harmit, I think you understood clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Every time, Harmit, we have to write if condition like this only. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Click on Control S. So I hope this is clear for everyone. Now it's up to you to practice them more, and I will share one more set of questions today. Please practice them. Okay. Again, I'll share it now only. Let me share the another set of questions. Just to give me a minute. I have shared one more set of questions so that you can create a class called student class, student DB class, where you will be creating the student DB class and write some methods and uh, answer the questions in a way, in a practical way, so that I can see where are you up to, like what you are understanding more. I have asked some like a 4 to 5 more questions in this for the same class, so that to test your understanding. Please answer them in the WhatsApp chat only, to me personally. Okay, is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Now itself should we do this?
Sorry, you are telling something, Harni?
Should we do this now itself?
No, 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 not now, not now. It's a big one. You can take it as a task today, and you can report to me tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. And coming to this example, just let us test whether we can decrease the quantity or not. Whatever we have written is right or wrong.
Okay.
Go to the initialize the data first. How you initialize the data?
Mm,
Sir, you gave increase also, na? Increase quantity.
Yeah, increase quantity as well.
So in that we can directly write quantity is equal to amount plus.
Quantity.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. That's simple because no conditions.
Okay.
Only in the negative we have certain condition. That's it. Harni, you are writing or you are getting any doubt? See how you'll initialize the data. You have initialize method, you have class. So class you have to call first, you have to specify the class, then dot, then initialize method.
How can we print system.debug? Should we
Yeah, we
give
can
here
print. We can
the
print.
name of the function?
No. What you want to print? You want to print the quantity, na?
System quantity, yes.
So quantity is in the class product. So you have to write product dot
Yeah.
quantity. That's it.
System.debug.
Product dot quantity. Product dot quantity.
Unexpected. Unexpected token product.quantity say.
System dot debug bracket. You have to write inside bracket only. Debug. Hmm.
Debug of product.
Hmm. Semicolon.
Not exist.
Spelling.
Oops. Yeah, it can.
Okay. So please complete the questions related to this product class as well as create the class StudentDB class. That StudentDB class is little complicated because we have lists in that. Okay, you remember list, na? It's like arrays, sequential data. So there will be index kind of thing for that. So little complicated. So please practice that one. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay. We'll see you in the tomorrow's class. Okay. Okay. Thanks everyone.